You've spoken about the changes in your life and struggles you had faced. In what significant ways po has the journey of raising your child with autism changed you as a person or deepened your understanding of the world po?
Having a kid is hard enough, but leveling up it one more, or I guess tenfolds with having a spectrum kid, you will definitely learn from being or it will definitely change you, because meaning uh, 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 for me, I easily get annoyed with things before, but having Tommy, I guess it changed a lot by giving me more. I always stayed calm more, being uh, uh, having my patience. It trained me to have a lot of patience. Di na ako galitin. I tend to look a different perspective from before. I always, right now, I always try to take a deep breath before I act towards my kid. I don't. I always try to set a good example for him. So it definitely changed me as a person, positively, I guess. Um, Back then, I guess just to share, back then, before having a kid, I believe I have this mindset that whenever the time comes I have a kid, I would end up with the disciplinary, being harsh. Like, I believe that I would spank or resort to spanking the kid, or being for him to grow tough. But ever since, from the day he was born, my kid, I changed in a snap. I don't want that. I don't want to provide a trauma. That's if that's where I'm coming from, I guess. I don't want to have him traumatized with those kinds of discipline. So it really changed me as a person. So I guess that's it for me. It's more of a being more patient, being more calm with everything, being understanding to the kid, giving more time, provide emotional support. That's me now compared to last, before I had Tommy around. How about you?
And in addition to patience, of course, we have a deep, um, before kasi, um, nung students pa kami, so hindi pa siya ganun kakilala. Yung condition na yan, hindi pa masyado nakalala. Parang we would often tease another kid na, oh, autistic ka, ganyan-ganyan. Yung pag may kakaiba, pag may weird.
They often bullied around schools, and having special schools for the special needs is rare during that time, and it's very expensive.
Very expensive. So, looking back, na yung mga bata na weird nung time namin,
Binubully, no?
nabubuli, gano'n. Tapos parang ngayon, marirealize namin na parang may something pala talaga sa kanya. I mean, hindi lang, alam mo yun, hindi lang siya ganun ka-recognized before. Pero, meron ng mga may mga nasa spectrum na during that time na syempre, a lot of the kids don't understand and they get often bullied kasi nga,
Even schools are not prepared for that during.
So, parang looking at it now, pag may ma-encounter kang tao na unusual, parang imbes na pagtawanan mo or maasar ka or anything, parang iintindihin mo muna kasi nga hindi mo alam kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng tao. So, nagiging more understanding ka, you try to look at things differently. Hindi na yung parang i-judge mo agad yung tao.
So yeah, that's how we think now compared before, na pag nakita mong vulnerable yung tao. Ako kasi bully ako when I was in high school. bully ako. So, ngayon, medyo nagsisisi na ako ba't ko binuli. Kasi, ayan, kita mo, lumabas sa anak ko rin. So, ngayon, I have a better understanding of everything when it comes to people that are kids like that. So, we are, I guess, if you ever met us and you have a kid, we are that kind of parent that we don't shrug off kids that are makulit. And we ever encountered some kids that are very how do you call this, aside from makulit, yung parang masyadong mapanakit or what, kasi I believe that papansin lang yung bata kasi because he's a kid, but we try to our best to understand them most of the time. And yeah, we're I guess yun rin, yun yung biggest part sa amin. Naging mas understanding kami sa mga other kids around us aside from our own. Yun.
Yeah, we try to extend it to others then.
Yeah.
If you could leave a message to the world, to friends, to strangers, and to future parents, what is the single most important thing you'd tell the public about autism?
Siguro I'll start, then you go read that one. I guess my message to the world, and if ever it reaches to everyone with family who has spectrum, under the spectrum kids, spend more time, a lot time to spend with your kids. You need to invest time and provide more patience, love, and all of that. I guess when you grow up, you tend to set aside those things and you tend to rely more if you have katulong or yaya. You just let them take care of the kids. But I guess that's not enough for your kid to grow a better person or a better kid, or emotionally they really need those support, emotionally, spending time and understanding them more, because that's how we avoid them being how do you call this, that's how we can avoid the kids being, how do you call this, yung may kaya ka nagkakaroon ng daddy issues and stuff, that's how we avoid them being not confident enough, because that's providing them care, love, and time, understanding gives them give them the boost of confidence for themselves, and nawawala yung ano yung other term, jealousy to other people. Yung insecurities, yun. It will set them to be a better person once they grow up. So,
Starts with your household.
yeah, everything starts with your household and as a parent. So, yeah, I guess that's my message to other parents. And how about you?
And if for me, if there's one thing we want people to know about autism, it's that it's not something to be afraid or feel sorry for. Children with autism see and experience the world in their own special way, and that's okay. Especially now, ang daming parents na sobrang in denial. But,
Yeah.
The more na iniwasan mo yung issue. Actually, it's not an issue. Kung ano man yung meron yung kid mo, the more na mas mahirap siya. So, I think, acceptance talaga is key.
Mm-hmm.
Para sa bata and para din sa sarili mo. And, of course, what they need most is understanding, patience, and acceptance.
Acceptance, yeah.
Not judgment or pity. So, paano matatanggap ng anak mo kung ikaw hindi mo matanggap? So, yun, doon tayo mag-start sa sarili natin. And yun nga, yung sinabi ni Jeff, when you take time to truly see them, nare-realize mo na how much love and joy they can bring into your life. Ayun.
Also, I guess for you to for them to understand their kids more, they should start first with understanding themselves as a person to provide better love and understanding to their kids. Yeah, I guess that's it.